Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I am unboxing or unbagging lip service. This is the second lip service I have received. The mail came super late today. I was worried I wouldn't have anything to unbox. It's the beginning of September and I really haven't received much due to the long holiday weekend, but I know they're gonna start rolling in. But I was super excited to see this. I think it's actually the August bag because I know this one ships later in the month. I think I have it up here. Yeah, that usually ships between the 25th and the 30th of the month, so this one comes later. So I think last month I got mine around the 1st of the month too, so but we'll see what it says inside. So if you're unfamiliar, lip service is a monthly subscription and you get a lip balm and some other surprises too, and it's only $5.95. I paid for this one myself, but I was contacted by the company. I am going to receive some free boxes in the future, and they also gave me a coupon code, and it's 10% off, so it's already affordable, $5.95. You can get a little bit more off if you use the coupon code Kitty's Boxes. I'll leave that all below along with the link if you are interested. Let's see. Oh, I should have cut this open before I talked. Okay, if I can't get it right now, I'm gonna grab scissors. I'm gonna grab scissors. Sorry, one second. Sorry if my big booty got in the way of that. So you guys, I leave for Jamaica in a week from today. And I got something exciting for my trip, which I'll show you in a second. But anyways, let's get unbagging. So there's a little card in here. It says, back to school, back to you. Yeah, back to you. That's it. Summer is well and truly over. It is time to get back to our routines. Whether you're headed back to class or, like me, those days are long behind you. Me too. This is a perfect time of year to start fresh. This month's lip service features a vegan lippy from Friendly Body Products in Maryland. Check them out on Etsy. Also in your package is a sassy lippy holder / keychain to attach to your book or gym bag and other surprises. Enjoy. So that's it. Cool. I like that it says vegan. Oh, awesome. I love eye masks. The first thing I pulled out is by H & Beauty 24K Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Masks. Like you guys know, if you've been following my channel, I definitely have puffy eyes, so I love trying new eye masks. So it says powerful, removes puffiness, remove dark circles. I don't really suffer from super dark circles or anything like that, but I definitely am puffy, so I'm super excited to try this out. It looks awesome. Okay. 15 to 20 minutes. This is the back of it. That's awesome. Oh, and here's that lip holder they were talking about. So it's a plaid color, which is cute for fall. I feel like plaid is very fall. And it's like soft too, and you can just put your lip product right in there and attach it to, like they said, like your gym bag or your book bag if you're still in school or rock a gym bag. And let's see what the lip product is this month. Okay, it says, it's like they said, Friendly Body Product, and it's in almond. Awesome. It's not too fragrant. It does have like a light almond scent. I like it. I have lip stuff on already, but I'm super excited to try this. I love lip balms. I've said it many times, like I cannot live without lip balm. I have it everywhere. I'm putting it in a little case right now. Let's see how it works. Cute. So yeah, that's, I don't know about you, but like sometimes I'm searching around in my bag and I can't find it and stuff, like this is a good idea because sometimes it really is hard to find something small like that in your bag, especially when you're like dying for lip balm, like that happens to me. Like this will come in handy. This is super cute. I like that. I think there is one more thing in here. Oh, it's a little candy. A Sour Patch Kids candy. They still exist. Let's see. There's a little snack. I want to see what's in it. Oh, I think I could eat this. I don't see any gelatin. My mouth is watering thinking about the sour taste. But this might be my dessert. I'm supposed to be like not having sugar right now, but sugar is the first ingredient, but I've been bad about my like keto diet. I mean, I've been pretty good eating healthy, but I'm not totally sugar free. So yeah, I think that was totally worth $5.95, right? Just the eye mask alone. I know these always cost a couple dollars at least. Chapstick by the Etsy owner, which I think is super cool. I love that they get the lip balms from small businesses or Etsy shops. That's cute plaid color for fall and a little candy. Super cute. Again, only $5.95. And if you're interested, use my code. Get a little bit of money off an already affordable subscription. But anyways, you guys can see this in the background. I just got this yesterday. My boyfriend actually bought it for me. This is for we wanted it for our trip. This is called a crane, so I can hold my camera and stabilize it and walk around. This would be good for like vlogging and stuff too, but I think it'll be awesome for showing you guys my trip to Jamaica and any other upcoming trips. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, I just brought it up here and it was in the background of the video, so I thought I would show you guys. Hopefully it works with my camera. I think it will. I have a Canon. But yeah, it says precise and professional for your perfect shots. And it's 360, so I wonder if I can like move it around and like it can go back and forth, like looking at like a view and then back to me. I don't know, but I'm super excited. So maybe I'll do more vlog style stuff. Only if you guys want to let me know. But anyways, it was super exciting. I love new stuff, especially when it comes to my new hobby, YouTube. But anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys. I will hopefully get more boxes in the mail tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye.